Hey ninjas, welcome back. You've already learned variables, data types, and operators. Today we're entering the next crucial stage, conditional statements. These let your code make decisions and act differently based on data. Let's dive into code and run. Code isn't just executed line by line. It needs to react to user input, time, values, and more. Conditionals let us run different blocks of code, depending on whether certain conditions are true or false. Conditional statements are the main way JavaScript represents decision-making logic, like, should we show a message, or which path do we take? Let temperature equals 30. If temperature greater than or equal 25, print, it's hot. Else, print, it's comfortable. Here, we check whether temperature is 25 or higher. If that's true, we log a message. Otherwise, we log something else. Notice we always use braces around blocks. This avoids confusing errors with nested ifs. If else only executes one block. If you need multiple branches, you chain using else if. Sometimes you have more than two paths. That's when else if comes in handy, basically a multi-way decision. Let score equal 75. If score is greater than or equal to 90, print excellent. Else if score is greater than or equal to 70, print good job. Wait, if score is greater than or equal to 50, print you passed. Else, print you failed. JavaScript also treats certain values as false in Boolean contexts, like 0, nan, null, undefined, or false itself. For decisions based on the value of a single variable, like matching text or a number, you might prefer switch rather than many else ifs. Const, fruit, equals banana. Switch, fruit. Case, apple. Print, apples are $1 each. Break, case, banana. Print, bananas are 50 cents each. Break. Default, print, out of stock. The switch compares with strict equality and runs code until it sees a break. If no cases match, it falls back to default. For very short conditions, where two outcomes are possible, you can write a compact one-liner using the ternary operator. Let isMember equals true. Print isMember, member price, guess price. Output, member price. You can also nest ternaries or use them in assignments. For example, const status equals. If score is greater than or equal to 50, then pass. Else, if score is greater than or equal to 40, then almost there. Fail. Print status. This works exactly like an if-else chain. Ternary is the only operator with 3 operands and is evaluated left to right. Let age equals 17. Let isMember equals false. If age is less than 18, print sorry, under 18 cannot enter. Else, const fee equals, if isMember is true, then 5 else 10. Print admission fee is $ plus fee. Switch fee, case 5. Print member, discount applied. Break, case 10. Print full price charged. Break. This example checks age first, then uses a ternary for pricing based on membership, and finally a switch to explain which fee logic was applied. Let's recap the main tools for flow control. If-else for simple decisions, else-if to chain multiple possibilities, switch when you test many literal values, the ternary operator, condition, ? X, close and Y, for very compact logic. Now jump over to javascriptninjas.com and work through 5 practice exercises based on this lesson. Remember, you can run and submit your code and click Reveal Answer if you get stuck. See you in the next lesson, Loops and Iteration. Loved it? Subscribe for more JavaScript Ninjas content. See you next time.